Quickly and easily expand your display, network, and device connectivity to customize an always-ready workspace with the HP 2013 UltraSlim Docking Station. A simple one-click, slide-inside dock for select UltraSlim HP EliteBook Notebook PCs. EliteBook 720G1G2, 725G2G4, 740G1G2, 745G2G4, 750G1G2, 755G2G4, 820G1G4, 840G1G4, 850G1G4, 1020G1, 1040G1G3. EliteBook Folio 9480 meters, 9470 meters. EliteBook Revolve 810G1, 810G3. Pro X 2612G1. ProBook 640G2G3. ZBook 14. ZBook 14UG4. ZBook 15UG3-G4 Mobile Workstation. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for full-time laptop users. Set up a full desk, but go mobile instantly. Great price, value. Easy to hook up any of the recent HP EliteBooks and other HP model listed, with right-side docking port. Drop the laptop in, slide the lock over and you can instantly use a full-size DP, HDMI monitor. Or 2. Hook up all your full-size keyboard, mouse, speakers, external drive or other USB devices. Work all day, then take your laptop mobile by just releasing it and going whenever you are on the go. Low profile, full-featured. Easy to use and great price. Uses your HP charger to keep the laptop fully charged while docked. When you return, hooking back up takes seconds. Consider getting a spare charger to keep in your go bag and you are out the door in a minute. I have several docking ports at home and work. Find them essential for my digital life and work and enjoy using a 2560 by 1440 or 3840 by 1080 monitor for serious work, plus a full-size Logitech keyboard and mouse.